What's going on, guys? And I got Dan here with me again today, and we're gonna be opening up some more Pokemon cards. What do we got today, Dan?
We have a 151 booster bundle that has 6 packs, and we're gonna open 3 each.
All right, so we got the booster bundle in front of us, and let's go ahead and open it.
Five minutes later.
This is always the most challenging part of our pack openings, opening up the package and opening up the booster packs. Okay. And there we go. There we go.
That's what we're talking about.
6 151 booster packs. We've been waiting for these packs for quite a while. Most stores are out of stock, but we managed to pick them up at Walmart. So yeah, let's open it. And I'm gonna give you 3, and I got 3 here for myself. So I'll let you open the first pack. Let's see what we got here. Here we go.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm seeing something already. I'm seeing something already. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Zubat?
What?
Paris? It's gonna be something. I can see it. Or oh, okay. Okay. Got a Gengar. That's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna go for the next pack. Open it up. We got a Voltorb. Got a Krabby. Sandfruit. Seal. Bill Transfer. Golbat. Leftovers. Reverse Hollow Bulbasaur. Seadra. Okay. We already have. Oh, there's another one. Wait, let me see what's going on here. So we got a Reverse Hollow Bulbasaur, and then we got a Reverse Hollow Seadra as well. 2 Reverse Hollows, and then we got a Hollow Vaporeon. So that's pretty good. I think Vaporeon we don't have. We have the Seadra. Bulbasaur we don't have in the Reverse Hollow, at least I think. Okay, not too bad, but no hit so far. Then I'll let you open the next one. Venomon, Rapidash,
Chansey, come on.
Reverse Chansey,
I know.
Poliwag, Weezing Hollow. Okay, you got a shiny Leaf Energy.
Let's reverse that. We got 3.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, you got
4.
2 Reverse Hollows. Yeah. I'll call these like mini hits. Mini hits.
Yeah.
Okay. No big hits yet. We gotta get something. So this is, I think, let's see. Yeah, we opened 3 now, so we're halfway through already. So let's see what we got. Halfway through, can we get 1 hit, please? Goldbeam. Zubat. Middle one. Ghastly. Engler. Snorlax. Sandslash. Reverse Hollow Abra. Reverse Hollow Ghastly. Jolteon. Oh, we got another shiny Water Energy. Oh, this is Dark Energy, right? Yeah, Dark Energy. Okay, so we're getting some shiny energies here, but on our last 2 packs, still nothing major. Okay, good. Okay, last pack for Dan. Come on. Get something. We're just hoping for 1 hit at this point now. 1 hit. Golbat. Reverse Vulpix. Victory Bell.
Oh!
Venusaur EX. We got this one
Yeah.
already.
Oh, wait, what's happening?
Yeah, I know what's happening. Like, we have this exact EX. If it was the Blastoise or the Charizard EX, we would have been super happy. But this is still good. Still a hit. Okay, let me put that in the back. Okay, last pack for me now. Come on, give me something. Dan with one hit. What am I gonna get? I'm gonna come up with nothing.
You might win.
Let's see. Go. Tentacool, Squirtle, Rattatan, another Persian, Reverse Hollow Muck, Daisy's Help, Reverse Hollow Executor. Oh, nice. Okay, full art Caterpie. So, cool looking card. What do you think about this, Dan?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah. So, yeah, got a new card that we can add to our collection. And then we got a Amistar Hollow here. And that's it. So, got two hits, a couple of shiny energies. What do you think about how we did today?
Pretty good.
Pretty good overall. Okay. Yeah, if you guys like this content, we have 3 more 151 booster bundles that we're going to open around Christmas time. So if you guys like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, and we're going to be bringing you more content. Alright, for everyone that's still sticking around to the end, we're going to take a look at our 151 binder and see if we can complete it. We got a few new ones here. So here's some of the pulls that we've had previously in our 151 collection. So of course we got the Venusaur EX and the Caterpie today. We had a Venusaur EX from before as well. And Tangela, Kangaskhan, and Erica's Imitation. So those are our pulls. So let's take a look at our 151 binder now. So I'll just put the Venusaur over here.
Got a shiny Bulbasaur. Reverse Hollow.
We've pre-organized these cards already over here. So we got a regular Bulbasaur from before. Got a reverse hollow here. I'll just put that in the front. And let's see.
Okay,
We got the Squirtle. Squirtle is 7.
Pause. What is that? Blocking.
No, that's fine. We can't. There's nothing we can do to stop that. So I don't know why we're pausing.
Okay.
Do that. Squirtle or Classic 7. Put it there. And then we got the Kakuna. Okay, so we're still missing quite a few number of cards here. Let's see. So yeah, the Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise. Yeah, we're missing those. Next one is Kakuna. Okay, we do have that. We don't. This one is a new card. Pidgey, we already had a Pidgey. Do we have the non-reverse one there? No, we'll put that in the back. We have a Rattata. Do we have a normal one there? Nope. Put the normal one in the back there.
Pikachu.
Pikachu, number 25. So, okay, that's a new one right there. So, still missing quite a few of them here. Next one is Sand Crew at 27. Okay, good. Got new ones. And then the Sand
evolution
Slash. Yep. We got that as well. And what's the next card? Nidoran? I think we have that already. Let's see.
Yeah.
Nidoran. Yep, we have that one.
Nidorina.
Nidorina. We have a reverse holo in there, and do we have a normal one there? Yeah, we actually already have a normal non-holo one as well.
Vulpix.
Next one is Vulpix, so all the way to 37. So, oh, we actually have a reverse Vulpix.
Zubat.
Zubat is 41. Skipping.
Oh.
What is that?
Reverse holo.
Okay. So that's number 41. So that over here. Golbat port is the next one. What number is that? 46. Okay, we already have a Paris.
We have Volley.
We don't have a reverse though, so we'll put the reverse card here.
We have Venonat.
Venonat. We have a holo in here. Do we have a regular in there? Okay, that's not a holo. Is it holo?
That's a holo.
It is. Okay. Put it back there.
This is a new one.
Okay, Venoma. Okay, hold up. Let's see. How did that come out? The card itself just came out there. That's weird. Venonat is supposed to be here.
There we go.
Regular one in the back. Venomoth is, yep, evolution, so that goes over here. What do we got next? Persian. Let's see. 53. So we don't have Meow. Okay. 53 there. Okay, we don't have Psyduck still. 55. Okay. There. 60. 60.
Reverse holo.
Okay, reverse holo. Put that there. Okay, so we're getting quite a few new ones, additions to our set. What is that?
Abra.
I think we have Abra, but we don't have the reverse one. Okay, the reverse in the front. Victory Bell, though. 71.
Next page.
Yeah. Okay, we had it, but we just got the reverse here.
Tentacle. Oh!
Tentacle, yep. It's a new one as well, we don't have it.
Ponyta.
That's 77.
Ponyta.
Oh, look at this card though. Holy, what happened to this card? You see that? There's like an edge to this card. I don't know if you guys can see it. Damaged in the pack, I guess.
Yep.
And Rapid Dash, we had a reverse. I keep pulling the card out of its sleeve in there somehow. Yep, we gotta put this behind.
We have a check on the other side.
And we have that already. Doodle 94, yeah. New one. Seal, yeah. New ones here, that's good. So we want to see. 89. Yeah, and then Dana and I were talking about earlier, this set, they don't really organize it by types, so it can be a bit more confusing. So 92, we already have Ghastly. Reverse holo Ghastly. Okay.
Hunter.
Yeah, that should be the next one.
We don't have Hunter.
Yeah, we do not have Hunter. Is that a
This is a
hollow?
yeah.
Hollow? Yeah, we actually already have a hollow Gengar. So we got
Well, we have a new card. I think probably.
Krabby. 98. And what happened here? I think we might have messed up somewhere with our organization. So it went from 96 to 100 for some reason. It's weird. I think it's because I wanted to like save space, but now the ordering is a bit messed up. We'll fix that off camera. And then
Yeah, more, but do we have
we'll
that?
skip these ones for now. Yeah, I don't think, let's see, do we have the normal one for this? I don't think so. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it. Okay, I'll put that. It's coming out of its protector. Okay, there we go.
This is a new one.
Executor at 103. Okay, we'll deal with that later. Licktone. We had the reverse. We didn't have the regular one. Weezing, I'm pretty sure we had that. That's a hollow, right? Yeah. We had that already.
Chansey.
Do we have this reverse Chansey at 113? Looks like we don't. 13 goes here.
Oh, Seadra.
Okay. Seadra. Okay, here we go. Yep.
Golden. Yeah, golden.
Yep, we have that already. Pins here at 127. Nope, that's a new one as well. I think Vaporeon is a new one probably. 134, yeah. Okay, put this in the wrong space, I believe. And then just fix that up real quick. And then next card is we have Jolteon. Okay, we have that already. Amistar. We don't have that. I don't think we have that. No. Put that here. And then we got Snorlax. Where is that? 143. Yep, that's a new one. And then we're at the trainers now. Bill's transfer is 156. 156 here. And then Daisy's help is 158. So yeah, more new ones. Quite a few. Not many repeats from our current set. So we did get quite a few new ones. So that's always a good sign. So thank you everyone who have stuck all the way through till now. We've completed a lot of our set, but still many to go. We still have, again, 3 booster bundles left that we're gonna open around Christmas time. Again, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Bye guys.